Vince, what's up? How'd you do today, Vince? How's it going? Oh, it's hot. Hey, Marco, what's up? Hey, Andreas, what's up? What's going on? What's going on, guys? Yeah, Vince. Yep. It's actually easier than it used to be. You used to have to email them and everything else. I don't think you have to do that now. No, you don't. Well, you don't if you use Project X. Yeah, you used to have to email them and it's pain. Hey, Trader 205, what's up? Yeah, no problem. Appreciate the support, Trader 205. So quite the day today, guys. How did everyone do? We did pretty good today. Juan, what's happening? Thanks for stopping in, guys. Yeah, it was a little another sell-off day. Oh, that's awesome, Juan. Good for you, man. Got about 4 minutes before market opens. New version is gonna make me sign back in. Nope. Good. Yeah, that's good to hear. So we did pretty good on the funded accounts. Everything was green. Everything was green on the funded, and I worked on this evaluation a little bit. It's top step. I got to rebuild for it. I forgot. So worked on that a little bit. But we was working on that tournament. The tournament, Ninja Trader tournament, and I'm down in that. But besides that, I mean, everything that was important, we're good. So yeah, let's get it 2 minutes or so. Work on another, probably an eval. As we see something super juicy. It's kind of interesting. It's like the seller's done, or we're gonna keep dumping off. I mean, are the sellers done, and we're just gonna have a little dead cat bounce here into this gap? Kind of what I'm thinking, or it just keeps selling off. All right, Zabox in the house. Alyssa, what's up? Dang, guys, I cannot. I'm still dealing with that cough. I don't even smoke. Maybe I should. The hell is this filled? Oh, that was the order I left on my... on the Ninja Trader tournament. It's flat now. So, I don't know if you guys... So we are getting a little that little dead cat bounce there. Kind of expecting that. This is my disclaimer. I don't like having overlays. I don't like all the overlays and stuff. Personal preference. Okay, a little push up there. Small gap. Looks like it just filled. Hey Amelia, what's happening? Amelia, you jinxed me today. We were talking. I think we were in trading with Travis, and I says, "Oh, I'm up to whatever," and then on that tournament, and then it was just all downhill from there for me. But we saved the account. We still got $18,691 left in it, so. We're good. I don't know what place I'm in. 417. That's alright. It's all good. I'm just teasing anyway. But yeah, I was just like, oh. I just made so many bad decisions today. Overtraded that tournament. But because of it, all the funded accounts that I have were nice and green, and I didn't feel like I needed to trade them at all because I was just focusing on this tournament thing. So it's 3,000 for first, 2,000 for second, 1,500 for third, and 500 for fourth through 10th. So, hey Kevin, what's up? What's going on? But yeah, we're in like 400th place, but there was a lot of blow-ups today, so. But our friend of the channel, Terry Trades 100, is freaking destroying everyone. I mean, with $38,411 today with 5 minis. Are you kidding me? I'm gonna be keeping an eye on this. I mean, I'm so happy for her, it's not even funny. Hopefully she keeps it rolling. I just messaged her and I said, you know, just do your thing. Don't worry about what other people are doing in the tournament, you know. Just do your thing. Because out of 1,000 people, she's in 5th right now, and that's a really nice lead. I mean, people got 20,000 and stuff, but at one point she was up like 46,000 something. So we'll see. So pushed up there a little bit, right back into this gap. I don't really want to trade this. That over here. I am working on a top step evaluation too. Got that up to 500 or 600 bucks today. I got rebuild on it, and then I was just like, oh, because I forgot about it. So I was reminded to go in and cancel all my other rebuilds. Got my honey and tea going, but I really think we could get up into this gap here. I'm gonna go long here. I think we can get up in here. I hope. Oh, wood chip's long. There we go. Ooh, 200 bucks. Ouch. Let me at ya. Yeah, those are the worst ones. I'm not sure what you mean, Hyper Viper. On the tournament? There's a push. I mean, we could continue to dump, too. I mean, I don't know if the sellers are gone. But I do like to be able to push up into this gap. It's kind of what I'm thinking. Kind of hot. Turn the fan on. Yeah, I don't know what chip. It's like an I think. We filled the gap there, and then I'm thinking that we push up into this gap here. This single print. Did you see Whelan had cops at his house? Yeah, I did actually. I saw a tweet, and then he had to take his Twitter down. That's crazy. So he got swatted. That's terrible. Yeah, that's kind of what I think too with Chip. We're on the same page. We did good today, Butch. We were fun. Green on all the funded accounts. Made a little money on the evals. $600 something on both these evals. The only thing that took a hit was my tournament, my Ninja Trader tournament thing that I'm doing for Ninja Trader, but I'm full sending 5 contracts and stuff, and to be honest with you, it hasn't worked too good. I don't know, Kisan. Don't look good. I imagine it was someone that messed with him. Or someone that Patrick Whelan's been messing with. Hey, Corey the phone trader in the house. What's going on, Corey? How's it going? So we are pushing down still. Yeah, it was super easy, Kisan. It was closed now, but it was super easy. It was just a registration. And it's free, so. See if we can get that bounce now. I mean, I kind of felt like this end here was just a lot of longs just getting out of their positions. Like trying to just cover, so. And then, like, I don't feel like this was like sellers. That's just my thinking. This is the push. A little bit of a push. See if we can get up at least. $481. It's 50% of that candle. Hey, Newts, what's up? What's going on, buddy? Good to see you. I actually caught a little bit of your stream last night, Newts, but you were just getting off. I just happened to wake up in the middle of the night, couldn't sleep very well. Turned it on, and you were just getting off. I couldn't sleep because I was in that stupid Ninja Trader tournament, and I had positions on. Still dealing with that cold and cough, Newts, too, from last Sunday. Cold is kind of gone, but the cough just won't go away. Yeah, it does. It's horrible. It's like a dry cough and it just won't go away. Oh, nice, Newts. Amelia, the thing was last night, this is what makes me so mad. I was short 787 last night, somewhere right in here, like 1, 2 in the morning, and I fell asleep like on my keyboard, literally. I'm like laying there, and then I wake up, my laptop's laying there, all open positions, no stop losses, no take profits. I'm like, what the heck? And it was down here. Well, it was starting to bounce. It was right around here, like 3 in the morning, starting to bounce. And I was up like, what, almost 80 points with 5 contracts on that tournament. And then I ended up getting out like somewhere at break even. I was so mad. And then for the rest of the day, it was not good. That's awesome, dude. Past 2 apexes. Back with some apexes. Sweet. Yeah, Blake, we do. Yep. Yeah, I was on this morning. That's pretty much, that's how I do the bulk of all my funded trading. Yep. Yeah, it is. Yeah, for sure. We're running like 6 of them now, funded. Oh, I clicked off it. I don't have it. I think I got like 6 apexes right now. I just got a small apex payout like 2 weeks ago, so I ended up just reinvesting it right back in. So now we got like 6, and then the Take Profit Trader, the pro account, is gone, unfortunately, but we could actually take a payout tonight on My Funded Futures if we wanted to. This account right here, $1,500, I could take a $1,200 payout on it, but it'll nuke the account practically. What would it give me, like 200 in drawdown, I think? Well, yeah, Newts, so this, next time, look for this little tournament. You probably like it. This Ninja Trader tournament I'm in, which I'm getting smoked in, which I started really good, and then now I'm getting smoked. But it's only 1,000 people, and it's free, and there's 3,000 for first, 2,000 for second, 1,500 for third, and then 500 for 4th through 10th. And that, like, I traded my fundeds this morning, you know, and got them green, you know, a couple $100 on each of them, and then I just traded that all day, just for fun, because, and I had no need to trade anything else. I didn't feel like it, so pretty fun. Oh, last year in it too. Awesome. I was up over 11K realized, and then I was up again unrealized, and I was pushing that top 10, and so I was talking to someone in the chat, gained weight, in Travis's chat, this guy right here, gained weight. I was talking to him, and he was up in the top 5 last night, and I know I was sleeping, and I had my position on, and he goes, oh, you just were coming right for me. Five contracts, and I've been because it's only 5 days too. 5 contracts, 5 days. So I've been going full 5 contracts, and yeah, I got smoked at the end of the day today, which sucked. But our friend Terry trades at, you see the link in the description. A friend of mine, she's up 38K today. Pretty awesome. That's a pretty good day one, I would say. She shorted last night and then just held it, pretty much. That's what she did, 5 contracts. So we haven't got whipped out of this trade yet. This is an evaluation, guys, by the way. But yeah, so someone in the chat, I don't remember who it was, said that they do these tournaments all the time. So this is the first one I've ever seen, but it's actually a lot of fun. Oh, I see you, Lassie. I see you. 142. Oh, 141 right there. Nice. Trading with Travis got beaten up pretty bad. I think his account, I think he said that he can only trade 2 minis now because of he don't have much margin left. So he got some work to do, but if he catches one good trade with 2 minis, kind of get him back in the game a little bit, and then size up. But yeah, I'm not doing too good. I'm still holding along. Hey Josh, what's up? Ninja Trader Arena, yeah, it's actually a lot of fun. But like I was saying, it kept me from over trading my other accounts. So it was nice. Yeah, I mean, it was free, and there actually is prize money. So I gotta have a really good solid day tonight and tomorrow to get back into the arena here. Kind of really sucked. Hit 11 stop. Yeah, so the low, probably not a bad idea, but no, where? In the chat? Or where did I see you today? Travis's, right? I saw you in Travis's. Oh, okay. Yeah, I won Travis's giveaway today, guys. I've never won. I've been watching him for years, and I've never won on his channel. I've won on 0 Day Jays. I've won on Cove Trader twice. And seems like I've won somewhere else too. But yeah. So yeah, So I won his little giveaway. So that pays for a Bulanox account. At least. Still long here, 431. Filled that gap. A little opening gap here. And then now we're just being bold and hold. We're gonna get up into this candles gap here. Peace. Kind of debating on whether or not I should just take this my funded future payout or not. Let's see. If I risk, I might try another trade tomorrow with it. Have a tight stop loss. See if I can build it up. So. Yeah, right, Amelia. $200 is not a lot. So. We'll see. I've actually had this account a while, but I hit DLL with it. I don't think that's the one. That one. That's a long time to have an account for me. But yeah, this day right here, this was the kicker. This is the one that hurt. That was that tilt day last Wednesday I had, where all the funded accounts took a big hit. Gotta try to eliminate those days. Oh, nice, Newts. Yeah, that's great. 16 days. I think I've had an account with Apex like 2 months, but that's only because they were delaying payouts. Like, remember like 8 months ago? Back in the summer or something. It'd take forever to pay you out. And I was like so mad that I get oh, I thought you meant days. Oh, okay. Yeah. That's pretty good. I mean, London session, just gotta grind it out and you'll start getting views. This is the session that I trade that we get the most views, but obviously I love like coming in here and talking the markets and stuff and kind of unwinding from the day. Kind of like what 0 Day J does in his time slot, where the markets like are over. Well, these markets are just getting started, but you know, the price action usually sucks. Hey Lassie, you are awesome. Thank you so much. Yeah, use code PINE for Apex, guys. I really appreciate it. The sale is still going on. Same with Bulanox. But I appreciate that, Lassie. Really do. We're getting there as far as the channel goes to be monetized, which is cool. We just gotta get the watchtowers up, but we're getting there. Oh yeah, cool Newts. Yep, very nice. My little end of the month one. Actually, yeah, Methodical Man inspired me to do that too. So he inspired me to do it, and then. Oh yep, nice. Yeah, so I'm trying to do that. Like, I'm probably gonna do that every month. I don't know. Oh, nice, Newts. Very nice. Yeah, that's right, Woodchip. Yeah, he came in today. What was it? Something Midnight Futures or something? Don't quite remember. Apologize, but. Zbach. I don't remember. Oh, was he? Canadian floor trader? That's awesome. Futures floor. That's right. Midnight Futures or... I don't remember. See if we can get that push up. Just going sideways right now. Oh, that's pretty cool, Newts. Yeah, the newsletter thing. Yeah, that's awesome. The I don't have many codes, and so it's mine are easy. Mine are easy. Oh, yep. Okay, Newts. Yeah. Awesome. Well, Take Profit Traders ad. They said they would give me a code if I got like 1,000 subs, so we'll see. We're at 600 now, so hopefully we can get up to 1,000. I would imagine in maybe 2 months. I'm thinking if I keep grinding it. Oh, nice, Newts. Yeah, I've been pretty happy with the Apex and the Bulenox. I mean, it's pretty good. It's fine. But yeah, if I had Take Profit Trader and my funded futures and all that, then it'd be much better. Fake out first, 640. Here we go somewhere. Oh yeah, oh my, can we go somewhere? I know. I might get stopped out here. It's pretty bearish. Dump right there. No, they're really not. The starter accounts are just really good for getting payouts, but I mean, it's not great. And the expert accounts are not good, and especially the, what is it, the milestones? Those are horrible. The milestones are just ridiculous. And look at those milestone prices. I mean, they're just, and they're not even, it's not even that appealing. I tried the 25K when they first came out, but I did the same amount of work in the 25K milestone that I would have done in the starter account, and then I ended up getting, I don't remember what the payout was, like $800 or something. And I'm like, well, I could have got 1,200 out of the starter. Stopped out there. $20-point stop out too. Sellers are not gone yet. Hey, Just My Style, what's up? Oh, really? Yeah, Newts, that's funny. You'd rather pay less to start and pay more when you know you pass. Yeah, that's funny. It's like a lot of people think the opposite, so. But I kind of agree with you, too. Wow. There we go. There's the flush. 400. Really coming down below the 400s now. The psych level bumps there up 400. Let's see if we get it. They're not done. Yeah, Newts. It should be pretty good action tonight, I would think. Long again. I'm thinking about it off the 400, just. Like in no man's land here. Here we go. Coming down right at the 400s still. I mean, we're at the 400s. Trying to bounce off it. The psych level bounce, which has been paying for scalps lately. Had a nice one here off 500. Bald and bankrupt. Not quite. Still hair there. Newts is bald. I still got a little hair. Alright, Newts. Thanks, man. Thanks for stopping in. No, Brose, I never used a Heiken-Ashie's like trading with Travis. No. Always just looked at the 5-minute regular candles. Long again. ES starting to push up as well. Probably a bad idea. Oh, I'm in 2 contracts. No, we're all good. I don't blame you, dude. Shave that thing. It's pretty much what I've been doing anyway. My haircuts are so short because I'm balding. Or getting thin. But everyone in my family's got thin hair like that. Day trading makes you bald. Yeah, I know. I have to make sure I change my shirts and clothes for the stream. This is really coming down. Below the 400s now. I'm out. Probably get that 400 bounce again, but I think we're gonna bust through it. All right. We were in 2 contracts on that one. Oh, Smokey Bear's in the house, guys. What's going on? Thanks for the sub. Slinging around some evals. Yeah, I've been good. Nice and green on the fundeds today. Not doing so good on the Ninja Trader tournament though. See what happens here. Yeah, for sure. For sure. Well, we're slinging around these. I try not to trade the fundeds this time of night at all, unless I'm tilty. But no, I don't trade any fundeds usually. Kind of wait to see what this candle does. 13. Waiting for this, see if we get this breaker, the inside bar. See what happens here. Alright, I'm going to try another long here. Super aggressive, 4 contracts. But this is just an eval, so it is what it is. Come on, don't stall out there. That's kind of what I'm thinking, Smokey. That's what I've been. That's kind of been my bias, and I've been getting burnt a little bit. So this is kind of one of the first real setups that I like, instead of just an I think trade. So we'll see if we get a push up, but we could just keep selling off. We are market is weak. That's what ES is doing. I don't love what ES is doing. Got out for a loss. Then got right back in. Almost the same position. This is bad. This $50 eval might be toast. Yeah, for sure. For sure, Smokey. That was another trade that I got really mad about today, was this one. We ended up catching this beautiful long here off this wick, and didn't hold it. Ended up getting out. That was earlier today. In real heavy on forward contracts. Hey Steven, what's going on? Hey John, what's happening? Oh, this is bad. This account's cooked. Feels bad. Still wants to go down. Bounce there. Yeah, this is gone. That count's gone. $396. Short-lived top step combine. Short. Oh yeah. Yeah, cheap evals, whatever. Especially this one. This one was this one right here is $15. Those are my favorite ones. Short 2. Push it. Good, Smokey. Good. Almost got down there. Taking one off. Stops at break even on the second on the one single contract. Yeah, yeah. I know, John. I know. It's terrible to try to. Let's take a look at the daily. I'm actually curious. Oh, I'm gonna get rid of this. Let's get rid of that. Wow, what a look at the daily, guys. Dumpage. Oh, the yen. Or what did you say? Oh, 6J. Yeah, yeah. Well, it does look good, don't it? Especially off the daily. Looks like it's rounding over on that daily candle. Pushing down 381. There's a push there. I'm not even gonna use this take profit, guys. I'm not even gonna use the take profit. We're dumping. Taking it off. That account's gone. Feels bad. Trading with Travis paid for half of it, so sure we're good. Boy, we are just really coming down. So I'm holding a long, full port long in the Ninja Trader. The account is not doing good. I pressed long at open and it's just being crushed. See if we can get a little so it looks like we might have another could have a fourth down day on NQ the way it's going. Although last night it pushed up from the open and then it dumped off. And I was reading a statistic today on the triple Qs. They're like 80% of the gaps, the up gaps get filled. They're like a certain percentage, which was kind of interesting. By the end of that day, I was kind of researching a little bit. Hey, Coach Fred, what's up? Good to see you, man. Industrial beat, yeah, I don't know. I got something on here. It says it's a mixtape, little mixtape thing. I don't know. Supposedly it's copyright free. Methodical Man got in trouble the other day doing playing some music or something on his stream. Hey Sherry, what's happening? Glad to see you guys stopping in. Market is dumping off. Oh yeah, this account I just blew. This account we're doing okay. That was an eval. Yeah, no, he was playing like Eminem or something, Coach Fred. Just for a second, and YouTube flagged it. Oh, we're getting a little bounce there off the 365. Yeah, Kisan, yeah, for sure. Yep. Yeah, we're just pushing down. Get a little bounce though. Oh, nice, Fred. At least you passed one. Yeah, good. $50K starters are awesome. Love them. Yeah, those are such good accounts. Really, I mean, I think they're gonna start cracking down on them with the earners and burners. But if you're just, especially if you're just starting out, I mean, I think it's one of the easiest payouts to get. It's my Funded Future starters. Hey, Big Cat Futures, what's up? Oh, did he? I man, I'll have to watch it. That's funny. Yeah, Coach Fred. I mean, that's saved me so many times. Saved me on this account. The one that I could take a payout on tonight. But I'm thinking about placing a trade and just risking $200. It's this one. Saved me right there. Now we're right back at a payout again. Hey, Jay Stores, what's going on? Hey, Big Cat. Today we were green on all the funded accounts today, so actually it was actually a really solid day. I think I made, when I left stream, I was down on Belanox. I ended up going green and making like 300 or so on the Belanox. I think I posted it in the Discord too. Let's see. Ended up posting in the Discord. So yeah, this is the Apex accounts, the funded accounts. So nice solid day there. The My Funded Future accounts and the Belanox accounts, 256. After when I left this morning, we were down on these. So nice on the funded. Not so good on the Ninja Trader tournament I'm trading. Oh, I didn't even look at Rodney New. I've been addicted to this Ninja Trader tournament, and I've been over trading the crap out of it, and it's showing that I'm over trading it because I am down big time. We need is a nice push up into here and be good. Get a nice push up into here and I'm back in the game. Just give me like 469, 480, and we're good. Yeah, not a bad day, Coach Fred. Actually, base hit. Yeah, Rodney. Yeah, it actually, Rodney, it affected my sleep last night, and I'm not gonna let it affect me tonight. Just not. I'm leaving that. I'm leaving the contracts on. Whatever. Yeah, it's fun. It's because I know people that are in it too, you know. So it's very competitive. Beautiful bounce there off 365. Really nice. But yeah, I definitely gotta go in and do that. I definitely gotta go in and do that. $300 commissions. Oh, I think I got you beat. It was ridiculous on that Ninja Trader thing. 600. 600, John. Ridiculous. Really ridiculous. And the worst part is, you know, I did that, and then, you know, Terry trades, does like 2 trades, 3 trades, and makes 40,000 bucks. You know, that's how it's done, guys. That's good trading. not like me, degen trading. But yeah, no, that's really good. I'm really happy for her. I hope she can continue that. Especially because she's, you know, starting at her own YouTube channel too. So that's going to be... Hope she's not listening, because I don't want to put any pressure on her, but it'd be a good little promo for her channel. She takes this thing. But yeah, she's a really good trader. Has an awesome ability to hold on to her winning trades. Like, she can just hold those winning trades. I think I messaged her today and I'm just like, are you still holding short? Yep. It's like 5 contracts, still holding short. Here I am scalping in and out 100 times. I'm like, but yeah. I don't think she did, Big Cat. She closed, I tell you what she did. I mean, she sold last night, some point. She sold some point in that last night. I can't remember her entry. Wrote it down to here at one point. Then she started trading a bit. Well, she wrote it down to here, got out for like a massive gain. At one point, she was up over 43,000 or something that I checked. A lot of money. Then I messaged her and I says, are you in a position? And she says, yeah, I'm short 602. Short 5 contracts, 602, and then it dumped off the rest of the day, and she held it and closed it at the end of the day. I was like, what a savage. Dang. Like, awesome. Like, truly awesome. Like, super happy for her. She just saw everything correctly today. But really, she was up 40-something thousand. Could have called it there, but then tried to make a little more. This is all good. She just moved up in the 4th place. Getting a nice bounce here. 420s is going to be key. If we can get up over the 420s. This is always a key level. 420s. It's just for some reason, I don't know. Not really seeing a good setup to hop in. A little VWAP rejection. See what ES is doing. ES pushing up as well. Nice push up on the ES. Wood chip is long. Good luck, good luck. See if the 9 and 21 get up over the 50 here. We get through the VWAP. I would love for it to V-bottom right here for my other account. I went 5 contracts on my other account when we did the gap fill on the NinjaTrader thing. Really hoping that we'd get up into this gap. And then I just held it, and then I just said, heck with it. If I'm gonna catch up and get up to 40,000, then she's still trading. She just moved up in the 3rd. Check out Terry Trade. She just moved up in the 3rd. I'm guessing she's long. So it updates every 10 minutes, the leaderboard. Hopping it along here, 410. I don't even need that much to pass. Let's get the push. Going for it. Yeah, you gotta, keep your losses small, wood chip, that's smart, yeah. A little paper cuts can add up, but it is crazy. Like, I was kind of thinking about that today. It's like what you can do. I mean, obviously it's a demo account, so it sort of takes some emotions out of the NinjaTrader thing, but like what you can do with just 5 contracts, 48,000, 45,000, 40,000 today, that's a nice payday. Just 5 contracts. I think, guys, I don't know for sure, but Trading with Travis says that this Rashika is one of Top Step's top earners, but I don't know. I think that's what Trading with Travis. Maybe he's listening. Nice push up there. 418 now. Devin's in. Wood chips in. We'll see. I don't know. I mean, the market's bearish, guys. The market's bearish, but I'd love to see it push up in the 480s, 450s. I'd love to see that, but who knows? It's one of those things you gotta remind yourself. It's like market can always go lower and it can always go higher, you know. Long 407, very nice. Using a pretty wide stop on this. I'm really not looking to scalp out of this. I'm just gonna let it run if it does. But yeah, it's looking good. 415 now, pushing up higher, above the VWAP on 1 minute, 5 minute as well. Good sign for our long. Have that 5 minute gap push down there. Gap fill at 425. But yeah, like I said before, that 420 area tends to be kind of a key level. So if we can get up over that and hold, and hopefully we can push up higher. We're going for a big win here. I'll be right back, guys. I gotta use the bathroom. I'm back. Hey, Futures Floor, what's going on? Oh, Woodchip said he had a channel. I'm gonna sub to it. I think you said you had a channel. Yeah, I found you. I subbed to you. Still pushing higher, but not with any pace. That was a nice bounce there off 366. We're a little high in the leg, but see if we can just get some momentum up. So it's kind of like one of those things. It's like where the market's been pushing down, and for days now, for a couple days, it's like, what is the catalyst that's going to bring it back up, you know? Maybe Nvidia earnings. I mean, there's really not any big news this week either. Yeah, you're short, yeah. Oh, I don't blame you, big cat, really. Every long I've taken tonight have been burned, so. Good luck, good luck. A nice push there. Gotta get up over that 420 though. See how we peaked above it and then rejected? Gotta get up over it and hold. Don't know why, that's but all the stoners sit there at the 420 and then reject off it, I guess. I don't know. Could have got 10 points out of this trade, but I'm kind of looking for a bigger win. Currently down 8,000 on the Trade of 8, Trade of 8 Ninja Trader competition. Down but not out. 5 contracts. You can make that back. But we'll see. There we go. We have to push up above 420. Let's see if we can hold. No, big cat, no. It's not looking good. We gotta hold this area though. I mean, our entry is not great, so I mean, I wouldn't be a bit surprised that it don't come back down and kind of do one of these things if it's going to continue to go up, but we'll see. This would have been a better entry down in here, 390s. I don't know what I was thinking. Wasn't really paying attention, I guess. Well, really not a setup I like on a 5-minute, but Investors, what's up? How's it going? Yo, Jim, what's up? Time to make the donuts. I do like getting up in this area if we can, get through this mess first. I mean, it could take all night, or it might not happen at all. But this giant sell candle at 1550, that full dumpage right at market close. Well, stock market close, so 350. And then it just, to me, it felt like that there was just longs getting out. So it was just longs like getting out. That's kind of how it felt to me. Didn't really feel like it was like new sellers coming in, pushing the market down. I don't know. That's just a thought that I was having. So I think we could get back up into here. That's what I'm thinking. This could take hours. I won't even probably be on stream if we don't get stopped out. But yeah, I am trying to go for the bigger win. Actually, that's not even the take profit. This right here, it's whenever I hit 3010. So I actually just kind of moved it up. Whatever. But it'll be up in here. And then this account will liquidate and this account will be passed. It's kind of what I'm thinking. But very much could just turn right back down and take our stop loss out and continue lower too. Don't know. I think the market's going there. It's just the path it takes. I don't really know. It's my hypothesis. Scalping gold investors. Nice. Hey, the world above. Thanks for the sub. Appreciate that. Thanks for stopping in. Oh, very nice, Devin. Yeah, I love those take profit traders. Love those take profit traders. If you guys are using take profit trader, give our friend a bone. Even though it doesn't look like she needs it. She's got 40 grand on this account, but no, she's Terry Trades 100, all caps. It's in the chat there. Yeah, John, it's a little something different, I guess. It's called the 80s Synthwave mixtape. I don't know. It's a little something different. Hopefully it's not, doesn't have copyrights. There's the push we want to see right there, guys. That's what we want to see. Taking back that candle down. Love Miami Vice. I want to go to Miami. Especially right now. That would be nice. Oh, I'm back to break even on my Ninja Trader. Yeah. Oh, I actually don't need that much. I only need like 500 more. That's a really nice candle. I might flatten there, but no, I'm gonna move my stop. Stop's a break even. That's the wrong. I don't need that much. Oh, wood chip's still long. Look at that. Yeah, wood chip. There we go. I don't know how much I need. 500 more bucks. So 6. So somewhere around here, I think this account passes. Somewhere in there. So I'm at my entry from earlier, 442. On my 5 contracts on my Ninja Trader. So if we can get a push up through, start filling that gap on the 5 minute. I mean, I'm okay with a dead cat bounce. I mean, that's kind of what I'm banking on. That's what we were banking on at the open too, but. Stops at break even. Really unfortunate if it comes back and takes our stop out at break even. We're up 550, but we're going for the pass. We're going for the pass. It's actually been a nice one to add to the winner. Well, I'm banking on it, Melody. This is my thinking. Is this candle right here? This is kind of my thinking. At least 50% of this candle. It's kind of my thinking, but that's all I got. Ace Mentorship is asking if anyone trades Rhythmic. Can you guys enter trades? I got locked out of a 300k eval, so I'm assuming that's on Apex. Is anyone having troubles with Apex Rhythmic? Did you account for the intraday trailing drawdown, Ace Mentorship? I know it's a simple question, but you know it has intraday trailing. It's 300Ks are a bear to try to trade. Yeah, Melody. Yeah, possibly wait for a pullback, but I mean, you know, like I like to try to like do those 9 bounces sometimes. But yeah, it's tough. Don't want to have any FOMO for sure. That's what plagued me all day today with that stupid Ninja Trader account. $3,000 for first, $2,000 for second, $1,500 for third, and $500 for 4th through 10th. Coach Fred. Oh, thanks, JStores. 480s, Josh. I like it. Give me 480s. 480s would look nice on my Ninja Trader. 100%. Yeah, thanks, JStores. It's just a little something different for tonight. Just 5 days, so Friday, Fred. That's why I'm trading it so heavily. That's why I'm just full sending 5 contracts at the time. Yeah. But I'm currently in 419. So after being up in the top, I was definitely in the top 10. I think I was close to top 5 because gained weight was first, and I almost he said I was coming for him last night when my trade was on when I was sleeping, and I didn't even mean to. Hey, Carlos. Terry's in 3rd place, Josh. Right now. She's trading too. She told me that she was going to be resting after she was up, but she's trading because this keeps moving. A little junkie over there. Yeah, she's just crushing it. 39K today. Crushing it. Glad you guys are stopping in. Yeah, we're in a beautiful long here. We're going for a pass. So, stops at break even now. Going for a pass to count. Yeah, big time, Josh. She only made like a few trades too, but just crushed that short. And she just had that the mental power to hold it. See here. We're not at the 434s. I like we're, obviously above that 420s now. Holding above it. I mean, we could naturally get a pullback here before we make the run up. The market works in ebbs and flows. So I just think we're gonna get up into here, this area. It's just, how we get there. This is like, what Terry Trades is good at is like, if she was in 5 contracts in a good trade off the bottom and then starts to pull back and she's just still holding it, just going for her target or whatever. That's the skill. It's really hard to do. Yeah, Fred, only 5 contracts and they made that much on day 1. It's 25K to start. 25K. Full drawdown. 25K. Beginning balance is 25K, and but there is margin. So if you run too low on the margin, then they take away contracts like they did with Trading with Travis today. I guess he's only limited to like 2 contracts now, which is going to be really tough to get up out of the hole, but you can do it with 2 contracts. I mean, you can do it. He has a good day tomorrow with 2 contracts. Get back in the game, get closer to so we can add a 3rd or 4th contract, and then he's good. Yeah. Not everyone, but these ones here. ES, NQ, CL, GC, Gold, Micro Bitcoin, and then the micros. So not everything. But yeah, just the major ones. Not the yen. Sorry, Zabat. Ace Mentorship. I'm looking at my executions. It's essentially saying I entered double of what I actually entered for single trades. So my P&L says 8K on my dashboard, but 16K in the stats. If you look at your Rhythmic, it should show you the drawdown. It should see your trailing drawdown in the Rhythmic itself, like an R trader. With Apex, it'll show you the I'm sure that's what you're looking at, but you can't even log into Rhythmic. That's weird. I would guess that you probably hit your trailing drawdown if I had to guess Ace mentorship, but I mean, if you don't think so, then I don't know. That would be my guess. Yeah, CME products, yeah. Oh, you think you might have got shadow banned? I doubt it. I mean, what were you doing? Have you gotten payouts before? Have you gotten payouts before from Apex Ace mentorship? Or are you just new trader? So you didn't get shadow banned if not unless you're living in the country and not supposed to be trading or something from Apex or no, they don't shadow ban people unless they're super profitable. Austin Frank, so the prop firms I use is My Funded Futures, Take Profit Trader, Top Step, Bulinox, Apex, Tradeify. Those are the ones I use, Austin Frank. They all pay very nicely. Just fine. To me. Never been denied. Knock on wood. Yeah, no problem, Austin. Nice, Sabak. Thank you, Amelia. This is a nice trade. I mean, what do you guys think? What do you guys think about my thought about getting up into this candle? I mean, I really think we could do it. Take back some of that. I've been trading futures since 2021, Blake, and I've been trading stocks, you know, on and off, like swing trading things for 20 years, probably. Maybe like 17, 18 years swing trading stocks. When I was working full time at the post office, I was swing trading stocks. Constantly getting alerts on my mail route, going on my phone and trading stocks. So yeah, quite a while. Yeah, Sherry, I actually got a payout with them this month with a 25K straight to funded, Sherry. Yeah, that's one of the payouts I got this month. If you're a pretty consistent trader, and you know, I do like straight to fundeds. I do. Because even though they pay a little bit more, but something about like when you start to get in that combine grind and the evaluation grind, you know, it's just can be pretty taxing. So for me, that I'm pretty confident that I can have a pretty good probability that I'm going to get to a payout, so I don't mind straight to fundeds. But for new traders, I definitely do not recommend. I don't recommend paying up that much money. Yeah, no problem, Sherry. Yeah. Yeah, that's the one I got, Sherry. 25K. Yeah, Fred, that's kind of what I'm thinking. I'm hoping. Let's do it. We'll pop the 465, and this one should be about past. If I was in full degen mode, I probably would have added aggressively. But we'll see. This eval will be an extra to these three. So these ones are getting pretty close. Well, they're getting up there. So I should be able to activate this one pretty soon, probably by the end of the week if things go correctly. Little gap between 65 and 70. Good. Blake, it took me 3.5 years to get a payout. So last year I got it right around 66,000 in payouts. Probably spent 30,000 or so. But I didn't trade prop firms like I did now. Like back then, it's like you bought a prop firm and you stuck with it like for a while, for like a week or two. Nowadays, it's like you get 10 Apex accounts and you full send them at open and blow them or pass them. And so yeah, back then my costs wasn't that much, believe it or not. My ROI now is like, it's like I'm profitable now, but my costs have gone up as well because of all the prop firms and the 1 day passes and all that stuff. Back when I just had like Top Steps, you had to trade that sucker for like 18 days and pass 2 steps, and it was a nightmare. And they were like $400 back then, but you didn't degen them as bad as you do now. Like that 50K eval I got on Top Step this morning, or yeah, I got it this morning, and then it's already blown. Like I didn't even do that back then, even when I was first starting. I failed, probably three, four, five of them or something like that, and then I ended up going live, like actually on the books live, and blew that in like 3 days. What are you using for face mentorship? What are you using? Quantower or NinjaTrader or? Yeah, if it says administrator only, then somehow NinjaTrader. I've never used NinjaTrader in my life, so I don't know. I always use the Quantower with Rhythmic, but yeah, that means that you probably, well, and if it says administration only, then definitely hit the trailing drawdown. But I would definitely send a ticket so they can look back into it. Definitely send a ticket. The 300K is tough. Yeah, I mean, you might not have. I don't know. Could have been some sort of glitch. It's happened. But yeah, that intraday trailing is it can creep up on you for sure. Yeah, that's why Zabak. That's why I'm trading my trade of eights now. Gotten rid of Quantower completely now. So I'm on Trade of 8 and Project X. Got rid of the. So I had Apex on Quantower, Bulanox on Quantower, and I just got rid of them all. Hanging right at our entry, right at my entry from the start of the market, 442. When I was kind of YOLOing long the first time, we're hanging right back there. I think we push it. I think we run this, but hopefully we don't get a pull back to 10, take my stop out, but yeah, that sucks, Ace Mentorship. Sorry to hear that, though. I mean, I hate that stuff. I mean, the good thing is that they're cheap evals. I mean, that is a little saving grace, but you don't get back the time that you took to trade them. That's the problem. Yeah, intraday trailing, Blake. Yeah. Take Profit Trader does that when you go funded. A lot of people don't know that. So I like Take Profit Trader and everything, but that is a little bit shady that they do that. Because during the evals, it's end of day, and then as soon as you get funded with Take Profit Trader, get your pro account, it goes intraday. A lot of people don't know that. I get through that by trading super aggressively and getting over that trailing threshold as fast as possible. When I get a pro account, try to get a payout on day one, but it doesn't always work. I usually just try to wait for a really nice setup and then just go maybe 2 contracts the most, mostly one, and then I'll add one or something, and then try to get over the 2K. Nice, Sabak. Hey, if you're in that groove, man. So it doesn't make any sense, mentorship. Like, it shouldn't even allow you to use more of the contracts. You think that you use more contracts that you're supposed to use? So I know, like, Quantower and all that, it doesn't allow you to do that. But I don't know about NinjaTrader. But yeah, Zabak, I mean, you got an edge, you know, just stick with that. Trading the yen and ES or whatever that you guys trade. Then you come watch us D-Gens trade the NASDAQ for fun. Hey Eddie, what's going on? Oh, not great, Eddie. But we're not blown. I'm down. I was up good too. This really angers me. We're down 6,800 right now. So we're not blown yet. Oh, I was up 11K today. Realized that's what really bothers me. I mean, oh, you're in it too, Eddie? Cool. Well, you see our friend Terry Trades is up there, top 3. The one that is in the chat all the time, and I have her code. Yeah, she's up 39,000 right now. Just destroying it. But yeah, I heard this guy is the top, like a top trader for Sheikah. I think that's what Trading with Travis said. But yeah, I didn't know you were in it. What's your name on there? It's not Eddie, is it? Or is it Eddie? Yeah, I am not taking it slow. I'm full porting, Eddie. I've 5 contracts have been on my screen the whole time. But yeah, I mean, Eddie, it's not a bad idea. I mean, you wait to see what everyone else does, like me, like full porting, you know, it's like I'm either gonna boom or bust. So And there's already been a bunch of busts. There's a bunch of people that already smoked, so. I have a feeling this guy's a YouTuber, NASDAQ Anonymous. I've seen him on YouTube. But yeah, these are all bust. Well, that one's busted. And then like once you get down here, you can't use more than like 1 or 2 contracts anyway. So these could all be busted. So thankfully, I didn't finish last. That was a fear. So I didn't want to finish last. Yeah, this guy right here, NASDAQ Anonymous. I've seen his YouTube channel. Must have full ported long this morning. Oh, Travis, our friend Travis, trading with Travis. He did this on stream. He took a big hit today. He says he can only trade 2 contracts now. So negative 22, so. But yeah, I have a feeling that we might see some people full porting any news events and stuff. Try to get up out of the hole. I have a feeling. I always go to. I'll see if I can post it. Hold on. I always go to Terry Trades' Twitter and click on her link because I can't figure it out either. So I'll just see if I can post it in chat. Go to Terry Trades here. And copy. There you go. So you got to put in your username and stuff in that, and then you'll see the board. No, Austin, never traded a Nikkei, no. Nope. Beautiful long there. There's the legend right there. Terry Trades in the house. Way better trader than all of us. It's clear. Right there. Just slipped out of the top 3 though. But now I'm just crushing it. Just crushing it. We're in a nice long, Terry. Just 1 contract. Figured if it gets back into this gap here, then this one will be passed. Well, you did very well today, Terry. I've been talking about you all stream. Because it's pretty awesome, to be honest with you. Oops. Yeah, it's pretty awesome. But yeah, I mean, I am right now in 422 place. But I'm full port. I'm full port long. Yeah, I'm not blowing up yet. I think the account's at. It just really stinks because I was up 11K realized today, and then ended up like losing it like within the last hour on that dump. I was trying to fade it. And then I ended up just buying the bottom and just leaving it. And so I just let it run. Yeah, it does suck. I just over trading big time. But yeah, my account's at like 18,000 right now, so I still got some room. If my long pays off, like I'm hoping, if we can get up into this gap, then we'll be right back in business. But yeah, it was fun. But yeah, Eddie is in the chat. He's in it too. He's in the tournament. Trading with Travis took a big hit. I think his accounts is like negative 22. So I think a lot of people that are in big drawdown, Terry, this is what I'm thinking, is that they're gonna full port it on news. I think that's what you're gonna see. So you're gonna see a lot of people get their accounts popped, like a boom or bust. So I think a lot of these people that are down, like in here, they're probably gonna full send it. That's what I'm thinking. So you're probably gonna see a lot of people go bust. Maybe on the video news, like in the video when they report. You're gonna come all the way back, take my stop out. But yeah, in the video news Wednesday night, I think you'll see some people sending it. But I'm not letting it keep me up all night like it did last night. That's for sure. Even though it's just a tournament and it was free and everything, for some reason I was definitely invested in it, and it affected my sleep big time. But I see you've been trading a little bit. I see your stats moving around. Yeah, you say that you're resting, but I see your stats moving around. The leaderboard doesn't lie. It moves. But yeah, no, super awesome day. Super happy for you. Nice pullback there. Bouncing off that 420 again. That is a key level. Like I was saying, it always is. Nice bounce off that 420. Wow. Let's push it up higher. Nice little 10-point bounce off that. Hey, unknown chatter, thanks for the sub. Appreciate that. But yeah, I'm pretty exhausted too, Terry. I'm gonna definitely sleep good tonight. I fell asleep with my laptop open and open positions on. I think I was telling you, but yeah. And then I went to that 701, and when I woke up, I looked, and the laptop's glaring at me, and I'm like, what the heck? Didn't even know what happened, and I look, and it's bouncing like off that 701, and it's bouncing like hard, and I was like 80 points in profit, and I was like, oh, and it came all the way back and took my break-even stop out. So, a little unfortunate. And after that, I had a lot of trouble falling asleep. I think it was like 2, 3 in the morning. Something like that. Bounced off the 420s, rejected off the 9 on the 5 minute. Switch to the 1 here. Still looking good. I'm gonna leave my, obviously stops at break even. I'm gonna leave it where it's at, but our entry was at 410, so yeah, what a nice bounce. So watch for that, guys. That 420, like in the morning or tonight or whatever. Like that is gonna be a key level. Hey, John King, what's going on? We did great today. We were green on all our funded accounts. We have a My Funded Future account that we can take a payout on if I wanted to. It would pretty much kill the account, but I could take $1,200 out of it. The Ninja Trader account, which is that tournament that I'm in, not so great. We are in drawdown negative 7,000, but we are 5 contracts long right now, so I should be able to if we can get up in the the 480s, 460s, 480s, we should be able to move up on the leaderboard here. I have a lot of work to catch up to Terry, but I don't even know how to do it. How you doing today, John? John King? Broke even today? Hey, broke even's second best day, right? Especially on a day like today. A lot of people got smoked. Yeah, push it, Amelia. Come on. Let's go. We've been in this trade for a while now. I don't even remember. Those longs at the open did not pay. Definitely came down and swept us first. That's what the NASDAQ likes to do. That would have been a nice ad off that 420 in hindsight, for sure. This one right here is an eval, John. Yeah, it's almost passed. I almost got this one passed. And I actually did it the right way. On stream. The last few nights. I didn't full port it. Looks like you want to try to crack the top 100. Looks like you started a little slow. Well, yeah, I see. Like my theory was like only 5 days, so which is not a whole lot of time. So I did know that like everyone was probably going to use max contracts, but you got a good start. There's nothing wrong with that, and you never know what people are going to do. Like I was up $11,000 today, realized, and then kept trading, and then now I'm down $7 grand. So people self-destruct on that. I did. Most of that was commission fees. RJ Wheel, thanks for the sub. Appreciate it. No, not really, but pretty much. I mean, I was between last night and today, I bet I had over 100 trades, which is just absolutely ridiculous. I'm never profitable when I do that kind of stuff. Ever. Very rarely. If anything, I'm like break even. Which, when I started going down the last hour of the day, the power hour, I said, all right, I'm break even, rate 25K. Just call today a wash. I'm at 0. We'll just call it there. Nope. Had to keep trading. Just rejecting off the 50 there. If you guys know anything about my charts, I never have this stuff on. This is usually for that one, which I gotta figure out how to have my 1 minute and 5 minute chart. But yeah, just a really nice rejection off that 50. Maybe I should have moving averages on my charts. But I like I like clean charts. Yeah, Fred. Yeah, I know. Fred, my charts are so clean that I put the VWAP on there for the stream. Like, that's how clean my charts are. Normally. Just a 5 minute bar, that's it. I put the VWAP on there for the stream. That's the truth. Something to talk about. Especially when I had nobody watching. No chat to go back and forth with. Oh, that's funny. Yeah, you know why I started doing it with I had white background. I also changed the charts because when I trade by myself, I have a white background, black and white candles. And you know where I got that from? Tom Hugard. And that's how I always traded. You kidding me? See if that 420 holds again. But yeah, wicked resistance point, guys. I think if we clear these wicks here, we're definitely gonna pop hard. But we gotta get through it first. But definitely resistance here. Oh yeah, Yoma. Yeah, that was a super dark. But yeah, I ended up changing these charts because I didn't want to blind you guys with my white background. But yeah, I do it just like Tom Hugard. This is exactly how I have my charts. Normally. Just like that. But it like blinds people. So I'm just like... So I changed it. But I hate Project X. Like, I'm getting used to looking at it, but I mean, I still like my trade of 8. Yeah, actually, he does that too. Coach Fred, actually, yeah. Come to think of it, he does do that. See money, take money, right? Look at this, pulling back, testing that 420 again. Testing the VWAP as well. The VWAP. Yeah, just 2 rejections off that 50. But if we get up over that, I still think we can run. I mean, I don't know. I'm just so biased right now that we get up into that candle. which can be dangerous. Thinking about taking a long off the 420s on the My Funded Futures and with a really tight stop. Thinking about it. Don't know yet. I really don't like when something comes down and tests again. I really don't like that. Yeah, we haven't looked at gold at all tonight. Nice little trend break. Gold. When I trade trend lines, that's what I like. I like using them on gold. Yeah, nice little break there. Nice little pop. Well, bouncing off that 420 again, and the VWAP. It's been respecting that VWAP bounce too in rejection. It really has been. Past few days. Today, not so much, but especially during the like power hour time frame or the Asian markets, it's been doing that. Just respecting that. Little psych level bounces, but there we go. There's a little push there off the VWAP. Kind of a boring trade, guys, right? But it's a good trade. I mean, we're up $500 on this trade. It's just really want it to take out my take profit so we can pass this account, but we could just putter right sideways the rest of the night. And if we gotta hold that 420 too, if we don't hold that 420. Be lights out. All that work for nothing. All right, pushing that 9, or rejecting off that 9 again in the 5-minute. Kind of going sideways now. Alright, bouncing off the VWAP again, 420 area. Let's push it up through now. Let's get that next leg higher. Got to get up over the these wicks here, 450. And I think we could shoot up. That's my thinking. No, we just turn down, take the stop out, take the lows out, and then destroy my Ninja Trader account. Kind of what I'm thinking. Oh yeah, Terry. I was talking about that earlier on how much I like that. It is fun, the level 2, the free level 2. You see it right here. Last night you could really see those lots pop up. Those 1,000 lots. I don't know if you noticed. But yeah, there was like 400 or 500 at a time lots popping up on there. Yeah. Definitely like during lower liquidity markets, like the slower markets. Book map, things like that is pretty handy. And when you see those large orders pop up. Ooh, just got shut down there. Gotta get through this resistance. But yeah, I missed it too. I was like, oh sweet, we got free level 2. And then I don't know, I was using it a little bit last night to my advantage, and it was working. Especially when it started popping up those large lots. Wood chip's going short again. I don't blame you, wood chip. I've been sitting in this trade way too long. Usually when I'm sitting in the trade this long, it's never good. I gotta learn to sit through my winning trades like Terry. Gotta have patience. Gotta have patience. Just don't want to have too much patience sitting in a losing trade. That's the thing. Those are the bad ones. Like I did earlier today. For sure, Terry. I'm guessing, Terry, that you ended up taking the market short last night. Not that one. This one. Taking the short last night. Riding that sucker down to around here. Or possibly off the ORB break. Then I think you were messing around in here a little bit. And then you ended up going short again at like 600 and riding that bad boy down. That's what I think you did. Am I right? That's my prediction. Either way, whatever you did worked. So I was looking at those totals today, like, 40,000 stuff, and I'm like, yeah, that'd be so nice on a personal account. Someday I'll get there. Place a trade like that on the personal, let that sucker ride. I know you're trading. Yeah, I just, I like it. It's a good way to, I like your style, the way you trade those. Alright guys, I think before I leave here, I'm gonna get stopped out for break even. That's just gonna, that means I'm just done for the night because that's just frustrating. I'm gonna post a link of the Discord in the chat, so you guys can join up if you want. It's free. Take it out. Yeah, that's my cue, guys. That's my cue. So I'm gonna post a Discord. Alright, Discord's in chat. Feel free to join the Discord. Well, I mean, we were up, what, 30 points? I just have this bias that we're going here. And I still do. It's just the path we get there, I don't really know. I mean, this could just be a nice little ebb and flow. If I pull out a drawing tool. Where's the drawing tool? Could just do this. And then whoosh. You know, markets don't go in straight lines usually. Unless you're shorted the open this morning. But right now I'm on Discord. Yeah, you wanted to get a hold of me, right? Wood chip. Are you on Twitter? You can send me an email too, wood chip, if you wanted to. I know you were trying to get a hold of me about something. But yeah, so there's Discord right there, guys. Feel free to join if you want. Percy, thanks for the sub. So yeah, I've been no one's really been posting anything. It's still new, but I posted Terry's tournament trading today. Post that we went live. I put in some of my P&Ls today under the P&L photos. Share a photo if you want of yourself. That's my glamour shot. And this is Brian and his dog. So, and you got the links here for Terry, her Twitter, my Twitter, her YouTube, and my YouTube here. And the affiliate links on the Discord, so easy to find. But yeah, so I think I'm gonna call it there because that actually just really kind of ticked me off. I really thought we were gonna go through there, but I mean, not really. I'm not really ticked off, but I am tired, guys. So, but I really appreciate it. Pine, Buellanox, and Apex, please. Really, I want to thank you guys for using my codes. You guys have been using my code for Apex and Buellanox, so code Pine. MM for My Funded Futures. Terry Trades 100, all caps. Take Profit Trader. Yeah, so we'll see. But that's it for me, guys. Have a good night. I will see you guys tomorrow. And wish me luck in this tournament. I gotta catch up to Terry. Oops, I just messed up my stream there, but I gotta catch up to her. No, she's crushing it. Alright guys, we'll see you later.